Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through map settings for the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2. This product's linked in the description, so be sure to check it out there. Looking at the Dreame home app, here's our device. We're going to go to the device. We'll see our populated map right here, and let's go over our map options and features. First, near the bottom right-hand corner, there's a no-go zone option. So on our map, we can add virtual walls. So drag and drop, reposition, no-go zones. And then we have no mop zones. So we can drag and drop those. Obviously, no mop zone, it'll still vacuum. No-go zone, it won't vacuum or mop in those areas. We have info up at the top. You can learn more about those. They walk you through each setting right there, explaining it in more detail. So that's our virtual wall no-go zone section. Then bottom left-hand corner, map management. This is where we can toggle on things like multi-map, multi-floor mapping. So we can save up to 3 maps on this device. So we can have 3 maps, a basement, a first story, and a second story. You get the idea. And then we can select our map right here, and we can merge, split, and rename rooms. So you have those options here. And when you do that, it's just going to be drag and drop. So we can select these rooms. We can merge them together. To split, here's the drag and drop. We could split that room. And then we have rename. So just select your room, hit rename, and we even have a custom option, but you have a lot of features there. And on the screen, we can rotate or restore the map as needed there on the side towards the right-hand corner at the top. And then back here, we have a little trash can icon if we want to delete a map to make room for a new map. And we can select the map 1, so the map name, and we can rename our map too. If you want to do main floor, upstairs, downstairs, you can do all that right there. And then lastly, I kind of view this as a map setting still. We have different cleaning options, so we can select different rooms to clean right on our map. We can also add different zones, up to 5 zones, just like the walls and barriers. They're just drag and drop on the map, but you can clean just particular zones if you want to. So a lot of customization options for mapping on our Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2.